The Christmas season has a unique magic, one that gently warms the heart, fills the home with comfort, and turns ordinary spaces into something extraordinary. For many of us, decorating for Christmas is more than just hanging ornaments or placing lights. It's about creating a sanctuary, a place where laughter fills the air, where memories linger, and where the glow of holiday lights brings a quiet sense of peace. But here's something many people forget. Creating a beautiful Christmas atmosphere doesn't require expensive decorations or luxury brands. You don't need to fill your home with items from high-end stores. You don't need to follow the most glamorous trends. Sometimes, the most beautiful holiday spaces come from the simplest ideas rooted in creativity, resourcefulness, and heart. In this guide, we'll explore cheap Christmas decor ideas that look incredibly expensive. Ideas that feel rich, elegant, warm, and thoughtful, yet cost only a fraction of what most people expect. Whether you're decorating a small apartment, a cozy bedroom, or a full family home, each idea can transform your space into a winter wonderland. So take a deep breath. Imagine the soft twinkle of lights, the scent of pine in the air, the gentle crackle of a fireplace, or even a simple candle, casting a warm glow. Let's step into the world of beautiful, affordable Christmas decor. 1. DIY Luxe Ornament Garland. Let's begin with a statement piece, one that immediately sets the tone when guests walk in: the ornament garland. You don't need a designer garland or expensive materials. All you need are affordable ornaments in mixed finishes: shiny, matte, metallic. Choose colors that harmonize with your theme: deep burgundy, icy silver, champagne gold, or classic Christmas red. Layer ornaments of different sizes, cluster them naturally, and weave in sprigs of faux pine. Add a long satin ribbon that waterfall drapes across the garland. As the soft Christmas lights bounce off the ornaments, the garland suddenly takes on a luxurious glow. It looks intricate, custom-made, and far more expensive than it actually is. Place it above your fireplace, on your staircase banister, or across your entryway. It instantly becomes the centerpiece of your holiday decor. 2. Candle clusters with gold accents. Candlelight has a timeless elegance that never fails to captivate. Start with the simplest of materials, budget-friendly pillar candles. Wrap the bases with thin strands of gold wire or metallic tape. This small detail transforms the candles from plain to luxurious. Arrange them in clusters, 3, 5, or even 7 candles, on a gold or wooden tray. Let them stand tall at varying heights to create a gentle visual rhythm. When lit, the flames cast warm reflections that dance beautifully across the gold accents. The result is soft, romantic, and atmospheric, like a high-end holiday photo shoot. Place these candle clusters on entry tables, coffee tables, or dining room centerpieces. The glow they bring adds instant luxury to any corner of your home. 3. Faux snow mason jars. Mason jars may be simple, but during Christmas, they become pure magic. Coat them in glue and roll them in Epsom salt to mimic the texture of freshly fallen snow. Add a tiny LED candle inside, and suddenly the jar lights up like a snow lantern. The glow spilling through the frosted glass creates a dreamy, wintry effect, perfect for windowsills, nightstands, bookshelves, or as part of a table centerpiece. You can even tie a small piece of twine or ribbon around the jar's neck for added charm. These snow-lit jars have an enchanting, nostalgic warmth, like something from a classic Christmas STO. 4. Ribbon-wrapped staircase railings. A staircase can become one of the most captivating features of a Christmas home, and it doesn't need elaborate garlands or pricey foliage. White satin ribbons alone can create beauty that feels elegant and graceful. Wrap them in soft spirals around the railing, allowing the fabric to drape gently. Choose colors that match your theme: champagne gold for sophistication, deep red for tradition, emerald green for luxury. Add fairy lights intertwined between the ribbons, and watch the entire staircase glow with warm, ethereal light. This simple idea turns your staircase into a scene worthy of a Christmas MO. Five. Minimalist evergreen arrangements. Minimalism has a quiet beauty, and evergreen branches embody that beauty perfectly. Gather a few real or faux branches and place them into tall, narrow vases. The simplicity of this arrangement adds a refreshing sense of calm to your home. The Scandinavian-inspired style gives your space a clean, elegant, and modern feel. And the best part? It looks like decor imported from a high-end interior design magazine, yet it's incredibly cheap and easy to create. Place these arrangements on consoles, nightstands, bathrooms, or hallways to bring freshness and elegance throughout your Six. Mirror glow with fairy lights. Mirrors already add depth to a room, but when paired with warm fairy lights, they become magical. Wrap lights around the edges of your mirror or drape them loosely across the frame. As the lights reflect, they double in brightness, casting a warm glow that spreads beautifully through the entire room. This trick not only enhances the festive mood but also makes your space appear larger, brighter, and more inviting. It's a small idea with a big visual impact. 7. Luxury gift boxes as decor. Gift boxes aren't just for wrapping presents, they're stunning decor pieces when styled well. Wrap empty boxes with luxurious-looking paper, gold patterns, satin textures, velvet finishes. Add large, soft bows to create a high-end look. Place these boxes under the tree, stack them on shelves, or arrange them near your fireplace. They instantly bring a boutique-style charm, like stepping into a luxury store during Christmas. Eight. Elevated hot cocoa bar setup. A hot cocoa bar adds warmth not just to the room, but to the soul. Use second-hand mugs, thrifted trays, and repurposed glass jars. Fill them with cocoa powder, marshmallows, chocolate chips, cinnamon sticks, and crushed peppermint. Add a small greenery stem or a mini wreath to enhance the festive feel. This setup becomes more than decor, it's an experience. A cozy corner where family and guests gather, sip, laugh, and enjoy the season too. 9. Thrifted metallic accessories. Thrift stores are treasure chests hiding vintage gems. Look for gold frames, brass candle holders, or silver trays. These metallic pieces add instant richness to any holiday arrangement. Polish them slightly, pair them with candles or greenery, and watch them transform your space with elegant, timeless charm. Vintage metals add soul, something new decor can't owl. Ten. Cozy throw blankets and pillow covers. Luxury is often found in texture. Choose cozy blankets, chunky knit, velvet, faux fur, or soft fleece. Pair them with pillow covers in seasonal colors, deep red, green, gold, or neutrals with subtle Christmas patterns. Drape the blankets naturally across your sofa, layer textures, and let the fabrics speak for themselves. Suddenly, your living room transforms into a cozy, inviting Christmas retreat. And there you have it, simple, budget-friendly ideas that create a Christmas atmosphere filled with elegance, warmth, and wonder. These decorations prove that the heart of Christmas isn't in the price of the decor, but in the intention behind it. Whether you create these pieces alone or together with loved ones, each idea carries a story, a moment, and a memory waiting to be made. So this season, embrace creativity. Embrace simplicity. Embrace the joy of transforming your home into a beautiful holiday haven without overspending. May your home be filled with twinkling lights, warm laughter, and all the magic that Christmas brings. Happy decorating, and Merry Christmas.